In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to install WordPress on Hostinger and set it up for multilingual use. This is a great way to make your website accessible to a global audience, so let's dive right in. First, let's get started by installing WordPress on Hostinger. You will need to log into your Hostinger account and navigate to the control panel. Look for the website section and select Auto Installer. This handy tool simplifies the installation process for various applications, including WordPress. You'll need to enter some basic information, like choosing the domain where you want WordPress installed. It's essential to keep a strong and secure password for your admin credentials, so take your time to come up with one. Once everything is filled out, click on Install and let the magic happen. With WordPress set up, we're ready to explore the world of multilingual capabilities. Next up, it's time to choose and install a multilingual plugin. Plugins like WPML and Polylang are quite popular for this purpose. Either option can be found by heading to your WordPress dashboard, hovering over plugins, and clicking on Add New. In the search bar, type in the name of one of these plugins. Hit Install Now, and once installed, activate the plugin. These tools will empower your site to display content in multiple languages with ease and efficiency. Now it's time to configure the languages and begin translating your content. Within the settings of your newly added multilingual plugin, you'll find options to add and manage languages. Begin by selecting the languages you wish to include on your site. As you do this, you'll be guided through translating the different elements of your website, such as pages, posts, and menus. Different plugins might present unique interfaces, but overall, they focus on empowering every aspect of your site with multilingual capabilities. Don't rush this process, as having accurate translations is crucial. After configuring your languages, let's look at customizing the language switcher on your site. This is a small but vital component that lets visitors toggle between languages. Head over to the language switcher settings within your plugin's dashboard. Here you can choose how it displays, such as in a drop-down menu or list view, and decide where to place it on your site, whether it's in the header, footer, or as a widget. Make it intuitive and easily accessible for your visitors, improving their experience significantly. Finally, you'll want to test the multilingual functionality thoroughly. Navigate through your website as if you were a visitor, swapping between different languages using the language switcher. Ensure that all the translations are appearing correctly and that navigation remains seamless. It's a good idea to have someone else review your site too, as they might catch something you missed. And there you have it. You've successfully installed WordPress on Hostinger and transformed your website into a multilingual powerhouse. Take advantage of these skills to reach a broader audience and enhance the inclusivity of your content. Thanks for watching, and happy website building!